Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sephora Play Box. This is my first time ever getting the Sephora Play Box. It's pretty much it's a $10 a month subscription service, so it's very similar to IPSY, like price wise, and you get I think 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 beauty size samples, skincare and makeup stuff from Sephora or whatever. And so I thought this would be kind of cool. I didn't know much about this, and I was like, why not try it out and see how I like it. So it just came, literally it just came. I just got out the shower. I didn't even put any makeup on or anything. I just wanted to film this before we left. So this is how it looks. And I believe how it works is every single month it comes with this Play by Sephora 50, you get 50 beauty insider points. You get like a little drawstring bag as opposed to the makeup bags that you get from like Sephora and stuff. Okay, so the first thing, oh, I didn't even look really at the card. I think this kind of explains everything. I don't know, but it's pretty much saying beauty schooled. That's the theme for this month. So, and then it says back to school beauty on here on side of the bag. So I guess the theme this month is back to school, which makes sense. So first thing in here is this Quay hair care or Oi hair care. I don't know. I don't know how to say this, but it's a shampoo and conditioner little foil packet. I usually don't ever use these, to be completely honest with you. So I don't know, I might either get rid of this or put it in the giveaway just because some people like them, so we'll see. Next thing I have here is this Hoola, I hope this is not the Hoola bronzer. Yep, it is. This is the Benefit Hoola bronzer, I believe, and it's cute though. I mean, it's a really cute size. I'm always fascinated when they do like these super like small sizes of this Hoola bronzer by Benefit. That's super cute. But as you guys can see, this is not going to be a bronzer on me. It's not going to show up at all. So that's the only thing that I guess is a little bit different about the Sephora Play. I believe everyone gets the same thing if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I'll be putting this in the giveaway as well because I can't do anything with that. Next here is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And I think I got this as a either a point perk, or actually did I get this as, I don't know, I got this before though in this size. I'm actually really happy to get this again though because I really liked this clear brow gel. This is a really good brow gel, and it's pretty expensive, so to have this, and this lasted me for a long time, so I'm actually happy to have that back in my collection. Next thing in here is this Origins Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay by Origins, and this is the original skin line. So that's cool. That's another, it's a retexturizing mask, so that would be nice to actually use this. And I like that they gave us this size. I think that I'll actually be able to get a couple uses out of this, so that's really nice with rose clay. So I'm excited to give that a try. The main thing I was the most excited about with Sephora having a beauty box is because I know that they have so many brands, and I know that we will get nice sample sizes of the different products and things like that. So yeah, next thing I have here is this Living Proof Style Lab TBD Multitasking Styler, and this is a styling cream by Living Proof. I know this is a really expensive brand from Sephora. This is actually a really decently sized. Okay, and then the last thing I have in here is this Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream. I think this is a lipstick. So this is how it looks. And this is just one of the Makeup Forever lipsticks. I've never tried it. Oh, it's not even red. The package totally made me feel like it's red. I wonder is the packaging like this for all of them. This is a pretty color. I was like, oh, I'm not gonna probably wear this, but this is actually a really pretty nude brownish type of color for my shade, so I like this. It kind of reminds me of that Huda Beauty, but a little bit more pinky desert rosy. But for the most part, I'm excited about this Makeup Forever lipstick. I'm excited about the mask. I'm very happy about the clear brow gel. That's probably the most exciting thing for me. And then I wasn't excited about these products that much because, for one, I'm probably not going to use this. I can't use this. And I don't know how I feel about this product yet. I might give it a try, or I might put it aside for the giveaway as well. If you guys don't know, with all these subscriptions, I'm gonna pretty much be the things that I don't want or don't end up trying, I don't end up giving away to like one of my friends or anything like that. I'm gonna be putting aside to put as extras in the giveaway that I'm planning for you guys. If you guys are interested in getting Sephora Play, I'll leave a link in the description box below. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.